Welcome to this lesson on chemical formulas. In chemistry, we use special symbols and notations to represent compounds. Throughout this video, you'll learn the different ways chemists write chemical compositions and what each type tells us about a substance. A chemical formula is a symbolic representation that shows us the types and numbers of atoms present in a compound. Instead of writing out long descriptions, chemists use element symbols and numbers to communicate the exact makeup of substances. This shorthand notation is universal and understood by scientists worldwide. The molecular formula tells us the exact number of each type of atom in a molecule. For example, water is written as H2O, meaning each water molecule contains 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Glucose, a sugar molecule, is written as C₆H₁₂O₆, containing 6 carbon atoms, 12 hydrogen atoms, and 6 oxygen atoms. This formula gives us precise atomic composition. The empirical formula shows the simplest whole number ratio of atoms in a compound. Let's look at glucose again. Its molecular formula is C₆H₁₂O₆, but if we simplify this ratio by dividing all subscripts by 6, we get C₆H₂O. This is the empirical formula. It shows the same proportional relationship between elements, but in the smallest possible whole numbers. The structural formula goes beyond just counting atoms. It shows us how atoms are arranged and connected to each other within a molecule. Take ethanol, for example. Its molecular formula is C₂H₆O, which only tells us the atom count. But the structural formula, written as CH3CH2OH, reveals that the atoms are arranged in a specific order, showing us the actual structure of the molecule. The condensed structural formula is a simplified way to show structure without drawing all the individual bonds between atoms. For butane, the molecular formula is C₄H₁. The condensed structural formula is written as CH3CH2CH2CH3. This groups atoms together to show the chain structure while keeping the notation compact and easier to write. Let's summarize the key differences between these formula types. Molecular formulas give us the exact number of each atom. Empirical formulas provide the simplest whole number ratio. Structural formulas show us the arrangement of atoms and how they're bonded together. And condensed formulas group atoms without drawing bond lines, offering a middle ground between molecular and full structural representations. The important thing to remember is that chemical formulas are simply different ways to represent the same compound. Each type reveals unique information about composition and structure. As a chemist, you'll use different formula types depending on what information you need to communicate. Understanding all these forms gives you a complete picture of how substances are built at the molecular level.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.